Hello, welcome to my channel. I'll be guiding you on how you can tackle task 3 of the KPMG Data Analytics Internship task using Tableau. I have done another video on how you can visualize the data using Excel. In case you are interested, you can check it out. So let us load our data using Tableau. So we are going to load our Excel file. Now this is what you have. These are all the sheets that I had in Excel, so I will select the transaction sheet. So under the transaction sheet, these are the columns and rows. So yeah, let us go ahead and select sheet 1 and start visualizing. So you have the dimensions, these are strings, and measures, these are values which have a measure. So yeah, you can have this as a measure for those who don't have it as a measure, but if you have yours as a measure, you don't have to convert it to a measure. We are going to visualize now. We want to know what are the top brands. So let us have the customer ID here under columns. Let's change this to counts and have our brands here. For the null, it is the same as saying that it is not applicable, so let us do away with it. And there you have it. You can decide to sort it out. Yeah, that's okay. So let us rename our sheet top brands. Then let us add another sheet. So here we want to know how many customers are in each state. So we can again have our customer ID under the columns, then change this to count. Then we can have state under rows. Not applicable, do away with it. This is what you have. But I want to use a map. So what you do is you select on the map under show me. So we have an issue, nothing has been shown. So in order for us to solve that, select on the 3 unknowns there, edit location. Let us change the country to Australia. Then select OK. Yeah, and there you have it. So let us label. So in order for us to label, we need to know the states. So press Ctrl, then drag, drop it on the label. There you have it. Then again, we want to know how many customers. Again, press Ctrl, then drag it, then drop it under labels. There you have it. But we need the count, not the sum. So let us change this to count, pardon. And there you have it. We can also change the color so that it can be more appealing. I choose this one, so there you have it. So let us name this sheet number of customers in each state. Yeah, let us add another sheet. So here we want to know the gender. Will be guided by the customer ID. So we want to know how many female are here, male and unspecified. So in order for us to do that, again we drag the customer ID change that to count. Then we'll take our gender, have it under rows, do away with the not applicable. Then there you have it. Now we are going to visualize this using now a pie chart. So select on this, and there you have it. Then you want to label it. So you drag the gender the way I showed you, press Ctrl, then drag the gender under labels, and there you have it. So yeah, just drag the customer, then control customer ID under labels. Let us change this to count. Yeah, and if you want to have it under percentage, you can have it under percentage. So measure percentile. Yeah, so let us rename this sheet as customer's gender. Let us add another sheet. So here we want to group. We want to create a calculated field to the group ages into a specified range. Yeah, so that we can use it for visualization. So in order to do that, select create calculated field. Let us name this age bin. Then let us input our formula. So we have so we're saying that if our age is greater than or equals to 9 and age is less than or equals to 19, meaning that the range is between 9 and 19, then we need to have it as 9 to 19. Again, else if age is greater than or equals to 20 and age is less than or equals to 29, meaning that the age is between, the range is between 20 and 29, then you can have it as 20 to 29. So I'll go ahead and copy this, then change whatever it is necessary instead of rewriting everything again. The same applies to 30, ranges between 30 and 39, so you have 30 to 39. So you're using the same for 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, the same. The range, if it is greater than 90, less than 99, so you have it 90 to 99. Yeah, and if it does not fit anywhere here, so you can have it as and if it does not fit anywhere here, we can have it as others, then our code. Let us select OK. Then let us have our age bin under rows. Yeah, 20 to 29, 30 to 39, and so on. So you can do away with others. And there you have it. Then you need to visualize it. You need to know the profit that each company made in each group. So we'll have this as profit. And there you have it. Rename it. Okay, let us add another sheet. So here we are going to create a list of the new customers. So let us go back to the data source. We are going to add another data source, but it is typically one and the same thing. So Microsoft Excel, you're going to add the same data that we had added earlier. So this is what we have. So we have two. Now we have two. We are going to use the customer target. For those of you who don't have the customer target, kindly do go and watch my previous videos. So I'll put the link up here so that you can go and watch it out and learn how we created the customer target. Yeah, so I created the customer target when I was showing you how to visualize the data using Excel. So you can go and check it out. So let us continue. So select on your customer target. Now this is what you have. Let's start visualizing. So select on sheet 5. Now this is what you have. These are the columns now. They have changed. Unlike what we had, there were so many dimensions and measures. Now we have few dimensions. So let us start let us start with the first name, then the last name, job industry category, job title, job industry category. Then you can have the address, then the postcode, then the states. Yeah. So this is our list with the scroll bar. Done. This one was very easy. So let us rename that one to customer targets. And there you have it. So we have visualized. Let us go ahead and create a dashboard. So this is for adding a new sheet. This is for a dashboard. So you'll see all your sheets here. Now let us start visualizing. We'll be dropping the sheets here. Top brands, customers gender. Now for the profit based on age, you can have it here. Then you have the number of customers in each state. Last but not least, we have customer target. Let us add a title. So select on show dashboard title. Now let us go back to the KPMG site and download the sprocket logo. After having done that, so we need to add an image. Choose your image. Then let us have our images floating so that we are able to drag it. Let us do some adjustments. I want this to be at the center, so let us fit its entire view. That's okay. Let us change the color of the title. You can have it that way. By changing the shading, you're changing the color of the title. So yeah, by default it is the color of the background. Let us change the color of the font. Supposing you want to change the color in each visualization, so you'll come to format, then shading. Then you can change it based on your preference, but I prefer the one I had. Suppose you want to format the title, the color of the title, so you right click, then format title. This is what you'll see. Maybe you want to change the color of the title. It is based on what you want, so you're able to change the colors to whatever it is that you want, but I'll leave mine the way they were. I feel they're more appealing that way to me. So we are done with the visualization. This is what I have as my dashboard. You're free to be as creative as possible so that your dashboard may look more appealing. Yeah, and there we have it. This is the end of the video. I'll show you how you're supposed to export this dashboard. So you'll come to dashboard, then export image. Let me show you after exporting how the final look of the dashboard. It is that easy, very easy. And this is our dashboard. So if you find this video informative and helpful, kindly do support me by getting me to 200 subscribers. For those who have subscribed, thank you so much. If you haven't, kindly do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you in advance. See you in the next video.